What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rushi S, aka the Jump Rope Coach. Welcome back to my channel, family. Hope you're all doing well wherever you are in the world. Most likely in quarantine like all of us. But hopefully you've got your skipping rope and you are flying boss, right? So today's tutorial, right? It's a 2-minute tutorial Tuesday. I'm gonna be really quick, okay? I don't wanna kind of chit chat too long. I've been doing that quite a few times in the last videos. But today's tutorial is gonna take you through my infamous 360 combo, right? So this combination has been seen probably for the last kind of year and a half or so, and a lot of people come through the DMs and they always ask me, what's the footwork, what's the kind of techniques, intricacies to get that 360 done after you've done the combination, right? So in this tutorial, I'm going to pinpoint the really important parts of that combo. I'm going to slow everything down so you guys can see it in super slow-mo. This is an amazing combination, guys, because one, it involves a move that was taught to me by Brian Valoria, who is the king of 360s. I modified that 360 to kind of fit my style. And then it also incorporates the double under crossover, the Mayweather style. And then it also incorporates kind of my own footworks and small kind of combos. So it just kind of brings together all the best parts of skipping for me. And hopefully at home, you guys are building your own styles together. But this is just a guideline. You don't have to do it step by step perfect. But let's go through this right now. So I've got my laptop, right, peeps. I'm just gonna take you through how this combination pretty much starts. And it always starts the same in the sense that I go into double under crossovers, I'll go into the kind of high power moves. And what you need to focus in on, right, is that you're gonna start to prepare for this 360, right? Now you can do this in multiple ways, but the way I like to do this now is I like to get my feet set, and I like to get them set by doing kind of side swing crossovers with hops. Now, the hops is the Mayweather move, right? The side swing hop is the Mayweather move. The rush component is the side swing crossover with the hop. This was a move that I kind of created a long time ago, and I incorporated with the hop, with the Mayweather hop. And this is where you need to really understand how the 360 is made, right? With the tutorial today being 2 minutes, I don't want to go over too long, but what you need to really remember is when you set yourself up for the 360, gonna get some arrows right now on the screen, you want to make sure that your back leg, right? So I like to turn clockwise. So if you caught my 360 tutorial about 2 weeks ago, you will know that I like to move clockwise. If you guys are right-handed predominantly, you'll probably like to move anti-clockwise. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to make sure that your takeoff leg, right? So mine is my left, the takeoff leg is with my left, that stays in front, and the back leg, which is the right leg, that then stays kind of slightly behind, and then I'm going to ready to take off with the left, all right? Now this is where people go wrong with the combinations. When they're trying to do these type of combos and build in a 360, they haven't got the balance, okay? So you just need to make sure that when you're ready to hit this move, that you're very centered, you're very balanced. And I like to go sometimes, not all the time, but I like to go double under crossovers. Then I land into the side swing cross with the hops, which I've done a tutorial on as well. But this is a great way to build the balance, because when I come down from the double under crossovers, I've got the balance with my back leg behind my left, all right? Like I'm not just kind of straight, like legs together type of thing. I step back with the right leg, the side swing hops come, so it's 1, 2, and then what I then tend to do now at this point, I'm gonna get the arrows on the screen like I said, make sure that I'm stable, that back leg needs to stay behind me, and then as I go in from the 360, I go from side swing, so I go left, I go right, and that's where I take off with my left and swing the right leg right around 360, and I come to the finish, all right? So like this is just a small kind of details, the pointers that I like to bring up on these kind of quick tutorials. Remember, you don't have to follow this step by step. Take away from this video the fact that it's really important to stay coordinated and balanced in skipping, whatever moves you're trying to do, okay? And it's always gonna look a lot better if you're kind of engaging your core, you're not moving all around the kind of floor, and when you are performing these combinations, it just moves like freely, it moves smoothly, effortlessly, fluid. All these kind of words should be going through your mind. So when you're practicing, use your videos, use your mirror if you can. Obviously we're at home now, so videos will probably be more useful right now, but you want to just make sure you're not slapping the rope down as you're doing these kind of side swing cross hops, all this kind of stuff. It needs to just go in one motion, all right? So that's what you want to kind of focus in on, peeps. You can't copy things step by step and move by move, technique by technique, always, all right? So try and build your own style at home. It'll be more useful for you, and it'll be more enjoyable as well, that the fact that you're kind of creating new little kind of moves and techniques as well. So that's a little takeaway for me. Remember, I just hope you're all well out there. These have been absolutely flying, by the way, like the speed ropes, legacy ropes right there. You guys are absolutely insane. I thank you so much for everyone who is supporting from your homes right now. You have to get involved in my latest challenge, okay? It's called Fly at Home Challenge. Go check out my previous video for that. Just join that challenge, because right now we've already had about 50 entries, maybe 40, 50 entries. That edit is gonna be insane, and I cannot wait to get that out. It's gonna be featured on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, everywhere. I did this in one take nearly, man. I think I smashed that. So remember, as always, do drop me your comments down below for a sign rope giveaway. We're still shipping worldwide, apart from France, Italy, and Spain at the moment, due to the kind of situation there, unfortunately. Otherwise, drop this video a big thumbs up. That'd be really helpful for me and allow this channel to keep growing. And yeah, we can all keep flying super boss. Guys, without further ado, I'm gonna see you in that next video. Love you all. Stay safe out there, stay at home. So take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe. Peace.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Would put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now.